Today we're going to be working with a cursive capital L and a lowercase l. In order to form the capital L correctly, you're going to start right here below that top line. You're going to swing down slightly, push up to that top line, and then go back, down to the bottom line, and another curve up and around. It's lots of curves on that capital L. This one takes a little while to get used to and which directions you're supposed to go. The arrows on here tell you exactly which way you're supposed to be going, so make sure that you're following those. Start just below that top line, up and around, down, curve in and out. Again, you're going to leave that tail so that you can connect it to other letters. This one tracing a lot. If you trace it a lot, you'll get better at knowing which way to go when you go to work on it on your own. It's okay to trace over a letter more than once. You can trace over letters several times if you need to. Focused on what you're doing, out and around. Taking my time and going slowly, making sure I'm forming my letters correctly and staying in and on those lines. Up, around, loop again, back out. Okay? The more you practice, the better. For a lowercase l, it's a lot like our lowercase e, only instead of stopping at the middle line, you're going to stop all the way at the top line. You're going to go all the way from the bottom line up to the top line, loop, and back out and around. So bottom line, loop up to the top, come backwards and around. Loop up, around. Start at the bottom, loop up, back and around. Okay. Do a whole nother line. Remember, I've done this a lot, so I go a little bit faster so that you can watch, but you need to be making sure that you're going nice and slow, up and around. Hit the top line, up and around. Now, again, it's a good idea to trace over things more than once. Then you're going to fill up that whole bottom line again, practicing those L's, making sure that you're starting at the bottom line, going up to that top line, hitting that top line, and coming right back down and around, leaving that tail so that you can connect it to other letters. Okay, time to practice on your own.